Microalgae, essential for the ecosystem, helps maintain atmospheric carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, which in turn provides much of the energy needed by organisms higher up in the food chain, and omega-3s, also vital for organisms for such purposes as brain matter maintenance, is present in fish only because of their microalgae intake. But there is much more than meets the eye with this 10 micrometer humble organism. Because of its fundamental qualities, microalgae such as red microalgae have hot uses in the growing biotechnology market. For example, the beta-carotene used by red microalgae during photosynthesis and responsible for its red color is priced by the health market as vitamin A, which cannot be synthesized synthetically. And astaxanthin, another form of red carotene, naturally makes salmon flesh more red, increasing its selling price. Red microalgae beta-carotene fetches a hefty €700 per kilogram. Whether in fresh, salt, or brackish water, red microalgae also produces polysaccharides as an extracellular matrix, the surroundings of the cell, with limitless applications. The over 10 different sugars act as a protection for the microalgae against bacteria, fungi, viruses, physical strain, and salt water, and the qualities include friction reduction, adhesive qualities, and stability despite temperature, pH, or salinity changes. Racehorses have profited from having the friction-reducing polysaccharides injected into their joints, while eye lenses are able to sit on eyes more comfortably with the lubrication of these polysaccharides. But the prospects of red microalgae branch much further. Through genetic modification, red algae may produce antigens, immune system activators, identical to those found in pathogens for effective and harmless vaccination. Other plants may even be modified using genes found in microalgae for qualities like elasticity or the production of nutrients like omega-3. However, there are many more uses in biotechnology for microalgae, such as in industry, outlining just how versatile the applications may be. The biofuel industry has taken an interest in microalgae for its abundant carbohydrates, which could be used to produce ethanol through fermentation. Essentially, the microalgae are either killed and broken to expose their carbohydrates before yeast is added and distillation takes place, or the microalgae may be genetically modified to perform carbohydrate fermentation on their own. Not to mention, microalgae is often present in water with abundant waste or sunlight, where it sucks up the nutrients. This is why algae blooms often show up in areas with abundant waste or sunlight, making a beach seem dirty or even poisonous with toxic algae varieties. But the presence of such algae may even be used to advantage as biofertilizers. Microalgae biofertilizers are used for their ability to reduce wastewater disposal and reduce harmful pollutants released into the environment through the current methods of crop fertilizer production. Crops need a lot of fertilizer, and using sewage sludge directly often increases toxicity, so the natural extraction and filtration occurring in such microorganisms as microalgae show great potential. Once harvested and added to crops, the biomass of microalgae has shown to provide beneficial soil microbial growth and higher yield in wheat crops than synthetic fertilizers. Clearly, much can be concluded from the potential of simple, yet not so simple, microorganisms such as red microalgae for its ease of cultivation, harmlessness to humans, and incredibly useful in diverse applications. The manipulation of microalgal qualities will surely have an impact on the future of biotechnology.